All right, let's review how you copy and paste your work into step 6. So once you check that you have all 10 cards, you can click on your work on the side. You'll see all of your work show up here. Go to create your Cerca, and this is it. We said the introduction needs to be the summary first. This is the only thing that you have to copy and paste like normal. And just look for little errors like this where the period isn't attached. Make it look like a paragraph. And go ahead and fix any spelling errors you see. After the summary, we need the claim. And for these cards, you can just hit copy. Remember that it will put some space between it, so you need to hit delete or backspace to bring it into one paragraph. And there's your introduction. Next, do it one paragraph at a time. I need my reason, evidence, and reasoning. Copy, copy, copy. You can't see it, but it is there. Make it look like a paragraph. And again, make sure that only spelling errors you see are names. The name's not going to come up. Hit enter. Body paragraph 2. Again, remember I can't see it, but it's there. Don't hit copy a bunch of times. Fix it and make it look like a paragraph. Nope. Period. Enter. Body paragraph 3 should be your counter argument. Copy, evidence, reasoning. Make it look like a paragraph. Remember that each one should be 4 sentences. And at the end of copy and paste, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paragraphs, which means the only thing you actually have to type in is your conclusion, which goes at the very bottom. Hit enter, and this is where you would summarize your main points and leave a final thought.